Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you another very useful AI tool I'm using, which is Mozart AI. I use this one to create the AI music for my YouTube channel. You guys may already know, I have a whole bunch of the robotic video. For this video, I want to give the audience a very good impression. So at the very beginning and the first 20 seconds, I have a very nice trail like this one with some background music. So the user could have very good impression at the very beginning, say what we have and what's the result it is. So they could keep watching the video and find out how to get this thing done, something like that. Okay, but the problem is right now, most of music, we have the copyright issue. So let me show you what I'm talking about. If we go back to the background of the YouTube channel, so you will see like this video, like this. I created this 2 days ago as a pop air. So after I upload this one, it says there's some copyright issue. This cannot be monetized. So I have to find another music and try again, and find another music and try again. This gives me some very difficult time. Even for this one, you will see. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so let me show a little bit. Yeah, I don't think I can play all of them. If I play all of them, this video may not be able to monetize. Okay, so this is why I try to find a tool which could generate the music, the background music, but also have no copyright issue. I find the Mozart AI. So let me show you how to get this work and how to generate the music and merge them together. So first of all, you need to go to their website, which is mozartai.com. You need, like most of the AI tool, you need a sign up account with your Google account, which is much easier. So I already have accounts. I just go to their app. Once you go to their app, you could use this tool to generate the AI music. So for my case, it's very simple. I just click the add button, create a new project. You could use the natural language to describe what you want, and just send this one to the AI. AI will generate the music for you. It's pretty easy to use. They have 2 mode. One is the vibe. The vibe is to use the natural language to describe your requirements, and the studio is another one. You could use this as a music studio to edit your music. Let's start. I have some prompt already, so I put this one to here. This one is very generic, so you can say just generate 20 seconds music. I know my video is about 20 seconds, so I just let the AI know do not generate too long, only generate 23 seconds. So this is for the quad-powered robotic demo video. This is a very generic. It may not get a very good result, but you could improve your prompt and get a better result. Let me try this one first. It may take about 20 seconds. It's very fast. So let's wait about 20 seconds. Now it's generating. Like I mentioned, this is too generic, so it may not perfect. Let's wait a little bit more. Okay. So now it's working. You can see the music is trying to just duplicate itself again and again. Let me show you what sounds like. Okay, so you can tell it's just repeat itself. I polish this one a little bit. I say, okay, you cannot just keep duplicate it again and again. It needs to be cinematic. It needs to be modern. It needs to be technology. Put more description over here, more detail, more instruction. You need to start the music immediately and fade out. And 22 seconds to 23 seconds, I don't want it fade out too early. So I put much more instruction over here. Say what it looks like, it sounds like. Let's start as again. So I just start a new project. That's make easier. So let's copy this over here. Let's go. So let's take a look at the prompt. If you want to get better music, you'd better put more instruction, put much more detail to your instruction, like which style you want, which instrument you want to the guitar, or you want to the piano or something, you want to the countryside style, or you want to some jazz music or something like that. So put as much more detail to your prompt that will get a better result. Okay, now it's get the result. So you can see it's not just repeat itself again and again. Let's say what sound like. You can say it's much better than before. If you want to take a look at the previous one, you just go to over here and click this one. Yeah, I like this one. Let's download this one and merge this one with my video. So let's open it. Okay, so this is my video. This is my music. Let's put them together. I use the DaVinci Resolve. So let's start a new project. Let's get a new project. Drag this to file. Now let's put it over here and put the music over here. Let's take a look. Okay, this looks very good. Let's do a little bit of change. Let's go over here. Go remove this guy a little bit. Remove this a little bit. It's this one. Let's try again. Yeah, it's look perfect. Let's export this one. I already connected my YouTube account with this software, so just export that. Say paste file. Okay, now let's take a look at the YouTube channel. Now let's go back to the YouTube channel. So if you refresh this one, okay, test 5 is over here. So let's change this to monetize, change to the true. Submit. It's checking. It may take some time. Sometimes it will take about 20 minutes, but I'm sure this one will work. This one will not have the copyright issue. I did some test before, so you can take a look. This one is on. Everything looks good. So let's play this one. Okay, this looks very good. This will help you save a lot of time to create the background music. In next video, I probably will show you some more detail about how to use this tool, like generate the musical video. Just use this tool without use another tool to merge them together. I think this is a great help for the YouTuber like me. It will save me a lot of time to find the copyright-free music. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.